This review is of Corsair's ML120 120 millimeter magnetic levitation fan. It's got magnetic bearings, custom rotor design, and extensive control range. It comes with two in the box. Now I got this for about $13 a fan once I got the discount. And here's some more details about this product. The power usage is 0.219 amps. Airflow is 12 to 75 centimeters CFM. Sound level is 16 to 37 dBA. Dimensions 120 millimeters squared by 25 millimeters. Speed is 400 to 2400 RPMs. The static pressure is 0.2 to 4.2 mm-H2O. And then the connection cable is 4-pin. So you can do this with the controllers. So you can use this with the controllers, right? And here's that information. All right. All right, so I've got this, and I wanted to share with you about this. Again, it comes with two fans inside of it. I haven't opened this one yet. Let me get this open right now. Oh man, that seal is there on there really well, which is nice. Yeah. So it comes like this, one up higher, one down lower, and the packaging like that to separate the cables from the fan for whatever reason. There's safety information, and then there's this, I don't know what that is, but not useful. Not useful. I think this is actually the kind of interesting. They put the logo and the fan image on there like that. So here's one of the fans. It's got labels on both sides, gray blades and black case. Oops. And there's the other one. So the reason I got these is because, as far as I understand, the magnetic levitation bearings, not necessarily Corsair in specific, but are probably one of the best types of bearings out there, and can lead to and can provide a longer lifespan. Although this does not specify what the warranty is on this product. I've got 3 of these that I'm going to be installing into my computer case. Here's my 3rd one. And I'll throw away that garbage. So installing these fans is no different from installing most other case fans. It's just simply a matter, I'll just do it like this. All right, so it's just simply a matter of, first of all, you want to look for the arrows indicating the direction of flow. And sometimes they're hard to see. These are really small, but you can hopefully, maybe you can see right there by my fingernail, my thumbnail, you can see the arrows pointing the direction of rotation and the direction of flow, which is this way. And since I'm going to be using these as exhaust fans, then if I were to install it here, for example, as an exhaust fan, then this label would be facing up because the arrow points in this direction, so that it'll pull the air up this way. If I'm installing it as an intake, which you would never do on the top because hot air rises, so you don't want to blow the hot air back down into the case, so then I would face it with the other way, with this label up, and then just use your mounting screws. Sorry, that's not it. Use your mounting screws to attach these to into the case, And that's all there really is to it, other than attaching this also to the controller, which depending on what kind of case and motherboard you have, these controllers either will be on the case, as is my case, as it is with my case, as part of the case controllers, or it would just plug in directly to the motherboard, depending on what the function of the fan is. It does come with 4 screws, as well as a couple of zip ties to tie down the cablings if you want to make it look neater. Yeah, so these are actually kind of hard to find. For some reason on the Corsair website, I was unable to find these. On the Corsair website, everything is RGB nowadays. It's very frustrating. And I managed to get these off of Amazon. So I was very happy about that. Because I don't care for the nonsense of RGBs. Why? Because they don't do anything for my computer other than beautify it. And I don't look at my computer, I look at my monitor. So to me, RGBs are absolutely non-essential and a waste of money. You know, how you feel about it is your choice, but that's how I feel about it. So these are supposed to be really good fans. Corsair is highly regarded. So I'll give these a try, and later on, I will do part 2 of my review of this. It's going to be a while, though. I want to run these for a long time before I can give you an evaluation, as far as, like, you know, a non-technical evaluation. But in a little while, a little bit later here, I'm going to hook one up to the fan controller and turn on the computer so you can at least hear how loud it is. So hold on for that. Okay, so I've got this one installed. I've got all my other fans turned off except for the CPU fan. And this is what it sounds like. Now it's powering down to a lower speed. So I'm going to try turning it off and on again so you can hear it better. This is with the case open. That's about a foot away. And that's all the noise there is. Hold on while I close it. So because of my case design, it doesn't make a big difference, but there is a difference in the sound somewhat. So it's not particularly noisy. Not bad. Certainly nothing that's going to bother me. It's not like there's a loud clatter or something like that from the fan. So it's pretty quiet, and it's easy to install. That's it from me. Thanks for watching, and hope you have a great day.